Quick little update. Self-driving trains. One key press. Off she goes. Whee! All the way round. And I've got the rest of the layout on the block detection as well. Comes round, slows down. Oh look, the second one started. Ooh. Now the first one comes in and stops. And off she trundles. And she's setting her own route, which is quite nice. And as we come round here, watch this one. This one will change when she gets, there we go. As that block's entered, that point resets for the route. It's just 2 trains for now, as she trundles round, coming back in, and then she'll park up. Yeah, fairly happy with that, and they will slow down as they come in. Yeah. Automation. Isn't it wonderful? What do you reckon? Worth looking at? Yeah, I think so. Catch you in the next one.